Founded in 1911, Durabla Manufacturing Company operated as a sheet gasket producer for industrial manufacturers. Its sister company, Durabla Canada Limited, was founded around 1922 and also involved in the production of gasket materials. Sheet gaskets refer to material that comes in the form of a sheet, which gaskets can be punched out of to fit mechanical structures. They're commonly used in the manufacture of vehicles and other types of equipment and machinery. Durabla developed a close relationship with the Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company, supplying them with gasket products for over 60 years. Eventually, each Durabla company filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, Durabla in 2009 and Durabla Canada in 2010. Mechanics, factory workers, and boilermakers are some examples of trades in which workers may have been exposed to asbestos from contaminated gasket material. Their work would disturb the asbestos fibers, making them airborne where they become inhalable, increasing the risk of potential health complications. In 2012, the companies created the Durabla Trust under their Chapter 11 Joint Plan of Reorganization. The current payment percentage is 26%. Despite being established in 2012, the trust didn't begin accepting claims until September of 2020. According to the 2022 annual report filed by the trust, it received 4,092 claims that year. To date, claims are still being processed before compensation amounts are available to report. We've helped thousands of people receive compensation for their asbestos injuries. Let us help you.